This LUXSURE 10.5-inch ring light mount is purpose-built for overhead shooting on a desk, making it especially useful for cooking demos, crafting, and top-down product videos. The industrial-grade metal stand and weighted base feel reassuringly solid, so the setup stays put, even when you adjust the arm or use heavier phones and accessories. A fully adjustable shooting arm and rotating phone clamp let you fine-tune framing from many angles, which is ideal for switching between face shots, tabletop views, and close-ups without moving the whole stand. The ring light uses a dense array of light-emitting diode beads with high color accuracy, so skin tones and products look natural rather than washed out or overly warm on camera. Multiple brightness steps and 3 distinct color temperatures make it easy to match different rooms or times of day, from a warm kitchen scene to a cooler studio-style look. Non-slip padding on the base helps protect the desk surface while preventing sliding, so you can focus on filming instead of constantly readjusting your gear.